Hey guys, I am super excited. I have a new product I want to tell you about. It's the MySmile Ultimate Teeth Whitening Kit. And it only takes 10 minutes to get to a brighter, whiter smile. That's right. In less time than it takes me to do my hair and do my makeup and get ready for the day, I'm already on my way to a more confident smile. This kit comes with everything that you need at a fraction of the price of what the dentist will charge you. It's clinically proven to whiten your teeth up to 10 shades brighter. It's safe to use at home and sensitivity free, which is great for me because I've had issues in the past when I've had my teeth whitened, and this is perfect for me. Did you know that MySmile has been featured in People and Health magazine and on CNN? All of their products are great and have really helped me to achieve a brighter smile at home without having the hassle and the time and money of going to the dentist office. The whitening gel is not messy at all, and the mouthpiece is super comfortable. You just place it in your mouth, leave it there for 10 minutes, and you're on your way to a whiter and brighter smile. Thank you, MySmile. I love my results.